Hello fellow caravanners, this is our pantry cupboard door. We're going to have a go at remodelling our pantry. As you can see, this will be quite similar to possibly the pantry in your caravan. My last three caravans have been the same. It is not efficient use of space. You can see there's a lot of spare space in there that we can utilise. Our biggest problem is after a day on the road it gets quite disorganised. Spices get thrown around and we've had the occasion of glass bottles in the bottom rack being smashed. Soy sauce everywhere. Not a good sight at the end of the day. So my plan is to put two drawers in at various heights. One at the bottom will be 150mm deep, the one at the top will be 100mm deep, and it will come out the full extension, where this one is only going out about 3/4 of the way of its extension. And we're going to make it a little bit wider. This block here is going to be cut down to 3/4 of its size, so I go close to the hinge, and the drawers will then be on runners on both sides of the cupboard carcass, so we make full use of the space left to right. So let's get into it and see what it looks like and give it a trial run. Follow the journey, see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, we have removed the old pantry frame, runners, rack, mounting frame, the whole lot. That's all being discarded, and we're now starting with a clean, empty shell. Well, this is the cavity with the pantry removed. It was only occupying about 50% of the space, so there's actually a lot of space in there that we can utilise more efficiently. So I'm going to put in two separate drawers on full 100% extended runners and see if we can get some better use and something that we can easily access, and higher walls so they stay put once the pantry is loaded up. So let's see how it goes. We've come to the end of the project. Quick demo. Lady of the house has already loaded it all up. There's a full extension. Now, it was full the previous pantry, so now we have a lot more space, which we shall no doubt use.
Yeah, especially down here. Look at this one.
Heaps of access, heaps of space, making good use of what space we've got in the cupboard. Yeah, plenty of room for the wine bottles. We are now at the next stage of our pantry upgrade. Pantry's all finished, loaded up, and we're about to hit the road. So this is what it looks like before we hit the road. Go down the bottom, tall bottles. We're now keeping our tea towels in here to help pack the bottles firmly. So we'll see what it looks like after a couple of hours on the road and see whether the concept is working. We'll see it together in a couple of hours. Well, we have arrived at location. We have set up. Let's check out the condition. They all seem to be where we started off. Down the bottom, same, all good. Everything's where it started off and in one piece. Okay, there we have the finished project. What we utilised there was 12mm melamine timber on all sides and the floor, 500mm long full extension runners, not self-closing. We didn't want them closing while we're loading it up and that sort of thing, and a whole bunch of screws, and it's all working quite well. Another successful project. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.